Write letter H. Draw big circle. Draw the hair. Write C. Write backward C. Draw 2 lines. Draw the eyes, nose, and lips. Draw diamond shape. Write V. Draw 2 vertical lines. Draw 2 short lines. Write a V again. Write L. Write backward L. Draw the arms. Draw 2 lines. Draw 4 lines. Connect the lines. Draw the shoe.